Tesla's big picture just underscores the significance of the low to mid 350s as a resistance area to sell into mid-term perhaps, and inversely, if settled above 355.32 at the end of a week, this 2-year channel top would indicate a good low through the rest of the year. The 517.66 5-year channel top, then likely, possibly within 3 to 5 months, could take longer, but that would be our next big picture objective. Now I'm going to zoom in what happened yesterday, Thursday. We did close back above that rising 2/3 speed line today at 306.80. This is reminiscent really of a couple of weeks ago when we also closed below a meaningful channel bottom, only to close back above it. And so in my experience, when the market does this by setting off meaningful sell signals and then essentially rejecting them, there's just sort of a floor of support. Obviously with Tesla in particular, buying enthusiasm. I do think 351.39 to 355.32 is in reach now over the next 2 to 3 weeks. But I think in terms of entering a long position that you could be more confident in, that would come with a settlement today above this 311.05 channel top. If you, for instance, went long yesterday with that settlement back above 306.80, I don't have a problem with that. And I've been mentioning, though, in terms of a shift in momentum clearly to the upside, that would come with a settlement today above 311.05. And we may actually open above 311.05. Does signal 323.16. And if we close today above 311.05, 337.32, a extreme descending 2-3 week channel top, likely within 3 to 5 days. So if you're looking for a 3 to 5 day swing trade to the upside, it is buying a settlement today above 311.05. If we open above 311.05, we could move on to 323.16 quite easily today. And so then entering a long position over the 3 to 5 day time frame, you're halfway there already. And so I do think if we open today above 311.05, that could be a signal to go long. Obviously, you want to see the market also close today above 311.05, 337.02, then likely within 3 to 5 days. And yes, closing above 311.05 does set up really kind of a 2 to 3 week buy signal up to 351.39 to 355.32. So we may already be there. As I've said, yesterday's settlement above 306.80 does yet again reject a meaningful sell signal. We were anticipating 257.96 as a 2 to 3 week target. That has been neutralized. The question though begs, can we now expect the low to mid 350s? And I think that is likely over the next 2 to 3 weeks. But in terms of a clarifying indication, I think that's a settlement today above 311.05. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.